With SOLIDWORKS 2020 Service Pack 2 released, it's the time when a lot of users and companies start to think about upgrading to the latest release. So we thought it was a good time to take a look back at some of our favourite updates for SOLIDWORKS 2020. Let's start with my favourite, Detailing Mode. Opening a drawing in this mode gives a huge performance increase over previous versions because the model doesn't get loaded into the background. The views are all intact, so there isn't any lost detail. This isn't just a view only mode either. We can print, make changes to annotations, reposition views, and even add notes. Dimensions can be added as well, making it a great way to finalise detailing or conduct design reviews. To take advantage of this new mode, firstly the drawing will need to be saved in 2020, then just select Detailing Mode from the Open dialog and you're up and running. Next up we have the Envelope Publisher. We all know that working with complex assemblies can be difficult, especially when you need to reference parts from other sub-assemblies. Previously we'd have had to do the work at the top level or create copies of parts, but not anymore. In 2020 we can use the Envelope Publisher to select the components we want to reference and a destination assembly for them to go into, then simply open the sub-assembly and add the references or make to it, making the whole process much easier and faster. Let's look at another favourite, Flexible Components. Flexible components are a great way to show things like hinges, springs or bellows, but their functionality was limited. In 2020 the process to make components flexible has been simplified and improved. Using the new Make Part Flexible tool we can remap external references with ease. In this case the 3D path of the bellows can be attached to this cylindrical face. After confirming the geometry updates and continues to update automatically after every assembly movement. We can even apply this to other instances of the component without the need for an additional configuration or copy of the part. Sticking on the assembly theme, our next favourite is Assembly Patterns. Pattern-driven component patterns are now more intelligent in that they understand the orientation of hole wizard features that are created with 3D sketches on multiple faces. This means a single pattern can now be used to copy the associated fasteners without the need to skip instances or use multiple patterns. Linear and circular component patterns are now more flexible by allowing you to modify each component instance within the pattern. This gives you ultimate flexibility when you have irregular patterns where non-uniform spacing is required. Mirrors are more robust too, with the new option to use the component origins, especially on parts that aren't symmetric. Finally, we have eDrawings VR. Virtual reality in eDrawings Professional enables users to explore their designs at one-to-one scale using a VR headset like the HTC Vive. Just open a native SOLIDWORKS model in VR, put on a headset and jump into your designs. It's that easy. Visual quality is greatly improved in eDrawings 2020 with support for transparency, full scene anti-aliasing and ambient occlusion, which gives your model a more realistic appearance. There are more options to control the sky and floor, including the option to add your own custom environment images. This is just our 5 favourites for 2020, but if you're interested in seeing the full list of updates and our tips and tricks, check out our YouTube channel and 2020 playlist.